Hello friends, good evening. This is Vikram here from Mission Engineering and Technology. Okay. So last video we saw lesson 3rd. In this video we are going to see lesson 4th. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to discuss some different tools. So first tools we are going to discuss, that is zoom. Okay. So as you know, already in first or second class I told you how to zoom your sheet, and this zoom and pan command is there. No, just you can say this is used for sheet purpose, for moving sheet, for zooming sheet, like that. Okay. So first option is there, that is zoom. So the shortcut keys of zoom is Z. Just press Z and then enter. So in zoom many option is there, we will see later, but only basic some things is there, that is we should know. First option is there, that is the all. Suppose that in my display many object is there, you can see one circle here, one arc is here, one rectangle is here. Now you can see nothing is there, no? So that object is hidden. Now press Z then enter. Many option is there. So all mean overall fit to a screen, you can say all sketches will come inside that sheet, inside it, and this graphics area actually. So just click on all, otherwise press enter. Now you can see all 3 sketches in front of you. Okay. Again press Z enter. Now you can see next option I am going to say object. Object means you have to click on that object and press enter. Particularly that object will zoom only. Okay. So this one is the zoom. Next option is there, that is pan. The shortcut keys of pan is P. Nothing you have to do, just P enter. Now you can say this cursor changed as a hand symbol, actually mean now you can move your sheet. So just press mouse left click and then you can move your sheet. Okay. So next option we are going to discuss, that is polyline. Polyline nothing, it's like a line only. Okay, already we saw line. So in line you can see, just I create this one, escape. Okay. So all lines is there, no, that is separately actually. Just you can see this line, all line are separately. Okay. But in polyline all sketches will be joined or combined, you can say. Just for polyline just press shortcut keys P L enter. Okay. Just I am going to get same thing. So by line also we can get this one, by polyline also, but only one thing, this is separately, this is connected lines actually, joined line. Suppose I am going to click here only, no, so total this sketch will select, because this is connected, this is joined. Okay guys. So next option we are going to see, that is circle. Okay. The shortcut keys of circle is C. Okay, press C enter. First option is there, that is specify center point for circle. You can define your center point anywhere. Then that is asking specify radius of circle. Okay. So define your radius. Suppose I am going to apply 20. So press 20 enter. Now you can see your radius is here. Again press C enter. Specify your center point. Now suppose you want to put your diameter value, then click on this diameter, otherwise press D and then enter. Now press your diameter value. I am going to apply 50. Now you can see circle. Next option, that is 3P, mean with the help of 3 point we can create circle. So suppose that already having 3 point, then okay, otherwise in which place you will create, that will take as a point. Just click on 3P, see first, second and then third. Okay. Next one is the 2P, meaning you have to click on 2 places, first and then second, that's all. See enter. Next option is the TTR, mean tan radius, mean we need one tangent and 2 tangent and 1 radius. Mean suppose we are going to get, say, one line, this one, another line. Press C enter, click on TTR, mean 2 tangent, mean touching point we need. So first line this one, second line this one, and radius value are asking, apply 40 enter. Now you can see one circle is created. Okay guys. So thank you so much. In next video we will see another option. If having any doubts, please let me know. Thank you.